the head. Got my little ponytail on. I'll fix that later. So this is about to be a. Please don't fall. Okay. Okay, so this video is nail polish. My nail polishes. I ordered off Amazon, so it comes like this. Yes, I wiped down the bag already. It smells good. It smells like some of it already fell out. I prayed it, but it comes like this. Y'all see? So it comes like this. I don't know why my camera looks really puffy. Come in house. No wrap. Was well packed. Okay. I'm gonna be mad at one of them products. You stop thinking negative. Positivity. So 2 boxes. Altogether they 12. So this one is by I don't know, clean color. Clean hair. I don't know how you say it, but y'all get it. Ooh, this is cute. It's a pretty yellow. We got yellow. We got a cute color. That's a cute color. I'm gonna try to put all the colors up there. I'm gonna do like that. You got a pink. Alright, the pink. You got, I don't know where these at. You got the blue. These are some cute colors, okay. Oh my gosh. Y'all know this right here? I got all LGBT colors right here. This cute. This green is pretty. It's really cute. Purple. This purple is cute. This purple. Alright, so that's all that was in this one box, which is 6. To the side. Now let's get ready for the next box. These colors are more so, I guess. Oh my god. Y'all know I'm fascinated with neon. This is cute. It's like the color of my feet. Oh my god. Like a peachy. Is it like a peachy pink? Orange. Finally, y'all. Because the orange I have is like pretty messed up. It's a purple. I got a couple purples. Make sure this one ain't cracked. This one look a little red. Okay, just making sure. Yellow purple. This is a nice, pretty dark purple. That's pretty pretty. Just imagine these colors at night. This is a pretty color. This is really pretty. It's really pretty. So like I said, y'all, I spent I'm gonna drop the link in the description below so that y'all can see the price of them. Of the whole, they all came together in one. So they have a 12 pack and a 48 pack. But the 48 is the same. It's like that. It's the 12 pack twice. So, no. Did I say it? It's not wrong. Okay, the 12 pack, they got a 12 pack, which is those. Then they got a 24 pack, which is 2 of those. And after that, 2 12s. Hold up. 2 24s will get you the 48 pack. So, just make sure when you're getting this to look at the reviews, because that's what I did. Honestly, I was kind of nervous. I was like, I don't know. At first, they said this wasn't supposed to come to like a couple of days before my hair comes, so I'm actually happy these came first, because now I can add them to my y'all know my little nail pile I got, so I'll just add it to that. I'm gonna try to throw out some old paints, some nail paints, but I'm gonna try to do some hacks on them because a lot of people say don't throw your old paints away, to just put colors on them. I'm gonna try to line them up so y'all can see. Line them up real classy. But these are some pretty colors. I'm gonna start practicing how to do nails, like as far as polishing. My polishing, I'm kind of doing okay compared to when I first started. But I like these colors. Not that I lined them up with. Oh my gosh. Nobody told you to fall. Colors. Look at the colors. They're so pretty. I'm falling in love with that one. Kind of that one, but I like that. Oh, these right here. That purple is actually cute. And the pink. But like, subscribe, comments. Like I said, I bought these off Amazon. Which the brand is right here. And yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how that sounds.